Hey, if you've been running on stress, anxiety, or just a general sense of being disconnected, give yourself 10 minutes, grab your guitar, and let's try something. This is box breathing with guitar. It is pretty simple. Grab your guitar and let's try it. Before I get into how to actually do it, let me at least say this. I come from a long history of trauma/anxiety, PTSD, CPTSD. I don't want to go into that full backstory. That's not what this is about. But I do want to put that out there for people who have maybe just discovered this channel and are looking for more natural ways to reduce stress and anxiety. So for box breathing, the concept itself is where you inhale. Generally speaking, it's 4 seconds. All the stuff that I find is do it for 4 seconds. I don't think it matters exactly for 4 seconds. If you have some ailment where you can't breathe in for 4 seconds, try 2 seconds or try 3 seconds. But the whole thing with the box breathing concept is it should be the same on the inhale, hold, exhale, hold. So I'm going to try for 4 seconds, 4 seconds, 4 seconds, and 4 seconds. I'm also going to use an open D chord and an open C chord. What's cool about this box breathing and guitar work stuff is that it's helping me be a better musician, in addition to the stress relief, the calm, and all that other beautiful stuff that comes with it. I'm going to try to pair my breathing with the chord change. But I'm going to be picking the notes of the chord. And I'm going to find my own rhythm, and I encourage you to do the same. Not to sound mean, but don't message me and ask me what the picking pattern was. That's not important. What's important is that you find a rhythm, and you can pair your breathing with your picking pattern. I do want to anchor this in with you, though. Ready? Slow is strength. You go as slow as you need to go. This isn't about shredding or any of that. It's just about taking control back. And you do that slowly and in rhythm, of course. Let me demonstrate first, and then I'll pause, kind of explain what was going on in my mind, and then we'll get into it together. All right? So it's a D and a C. I start with the inhale on the D, and then I'm going to hold it, and then I'm going to exhale on the C. Here's how it works. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't matter if you flub the chord. Doesn't matter if you muffle the note. What really matters is that you find a rhythm and try to tune out all other distractions. I mean, really, don't try to do anything. Just let it happen. And you'll start to get into a calm state of mind, a flow state, and you might even, discover some things that you weren't aware of before. I'm a fan of the Foo Fighters. Messing around with this earlier, I was doing hammer-ons and pull-offs, and I discovered, which is the intro to Times Like These. Again, that's for a different lesson, though. Got to stay focused here. So try it with me, and we are going to just stay with the D and the C. I'll guide you through a meditation. Watch my screen. I'll put some prompts up there to help give you, some key reminders. For now, though, let's try it together. D and C. 1, 2, 3. You get the gist of it? You can go as slow or as fast as you feel like going. That is entirely up to you. You're not just slowing your breathing. You're teaching your nervous system a new baseline. And you're reminding your body that you're safe. And if you are plagued by anxiety, every note is a reminder to your brain that you're no longer in danger. During that session, I was aware of the tension on the pick and my son yelling, but I was also aware of my wrist and the angle that I was picking with. I haven't been aware of that for very long. That's new. And that's a game changer. That's what I mean by the more you do this, the better musician you'll become, because you'll pick up on your own weaknesses or shortfalls, and you'll get better, and you'll get calmer. And that's the whole deal. Now the pattern is yours. You just breathe, pick simple, find your rhythm. Give yourself permission. Remember, you're building presence. You're not forcing anything. Let the tension fall away from your shoulders. You're rewiring old thought patterns with every breath. Feel the sound. Experience the rhythm. This is a choice you have to reset. And you can come back anytime you feel stuck, or if you just need a reset, or you want to hear stories from a guy who's been through some shit, just like I'm sure you have too. But you can get well again, and you can come out on the other side of it all. You can tune in to wellness. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next one. If this helped you out, spread the word. Helps me out. Pass it on, share, like, subscribe, and hope to see you around here again. All right, thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.